Welcome back to HDR, Honest Gardening Reviews with Will. This is my puppy Penny, such a good girl. Welcome back to HDR. The tent that we're giving away is a Marijane. It's 23 by 23 by 35. eBay seller that I got this off is Hydroponic Seller USA. Normally it's listed at $86. I got it for $41 at a steal. That includes shipping. It's brand new and it includes a couple hanging straps. As you can see, there's two of them, as well as a flood-proof tray. This is a great product for starting your veggies early. All you need is a small CFL or LED light. There are several ventilation holes in case you want to decide to put in different components. No issues on shipping. The seller sent the item when he said he would. It's super easy to put together. It's really easy, especially when working with such a small tent here. There is one crossbar that didn't quite fit the way it should have. You can put this tent in many different locations, on a shelf, in a corner, in a closet. The frame is made of steel and the corners are heavy plastic. Highly reflective, made of good material. So I tested the zipper for durability. I opened and closed it about 50 times. Not an issue. The extra liner is 100% waterproof. Filled it up with a hose. No problems.
It is waterproof.
There is a small amount of light leak. It's mainly through the ventilation holes. Although it's not 100% light proof, there is a small amount of leakage coming through the ventilation holes. I used mud to test cleaning this. It took very little time, just using paper towel, and it was also super easy to clean off.
Oh no, I got some mud on the tent here, let's see. Just using paper towel. It seems to be going pretty good. It's really easy to clean.
This is a pretty basic tent overall. It's great for starting out veggies early in the season. The amount of light that you need to actually light up this tent is very minimal, so it will save you money in the long term. You can start your plants 2 to 3 months or even longer ahead of the last frost and you'll be sailing. You can toss in anything from basil, dill, anything that you need to dry for the upcoming winter season, so it is also multiple purpose. The overall rating of this, I give it about a 9.75. There are a couple little minuscule problems, crossbar not fitting properly, as well as the minor light leakage issue. So some of the pros that I've seen: cost, shipping. It is sturdy. It fits almost anywhere, cleans really easy, and the quality of material. Some of the cons that I noticed: size. It doesn't come with a light. One crossbar didn't quite fit properly. Some light leak, although it's not a major amount. Congratulations to Marijane from Central Canada, you won the giveaway. So I want to thank everybody for entering the giveaway, and we'll be having a new giveaway shortly.